Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. To make Loco Moco, we first need to make white rice. In a large pot over high heat, add in 2 cups of water. While we wait for the water to begin to boil, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We are making 2 cups of rice, which we're going to rinse under cold water to remove most of the starch first. To the water, add in a pinch of kosher salt. Once the water begins to boil, place the rice in. Now, put the lid on and place in the center of your 375 degree oven for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, you would have perfectly cooked white rice every single time. Now it is time to make the gravy. In a small mixing bowl, add in 1.5 cups of beef broth, 4 teaspoons of regular soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of white sugar, 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, and a couple of drops of sesame oil. Then give it a whisk and set it aside. Now, in a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Then add in a couple of beef patties. They're about half a pound each, and I am using 80 by 20 beef. Season them with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. We are cooking them for about 5 minutes per side. We want these guys to have a really nice crust, just like so. Make sure to season them with salt and pepper on both sides. And after 10 minutes, get these guys out and let them rest for a couple of minutes. Then, in the same skillet, add in the gravy mixture, let it simmer for a couple of minutes until it thickens. As it's getting nice and thick, you may reduce the heat to low. And don't forget to deglaze the bottom of the pan, as we have all that flavor from the beef. This gravy is ready and it's looking good and smells delicious. Now, over medium heat in a small frying pan, add in about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Once the pan is nice and hot, add in 1 egg. Season the egg with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. The egg is ready. Now all we have to do is to put the Loco Moco together. And the first layer to this dish is the white rice, of course. The burger goes over the rice. Then we smother this with this amazing and savory gravy. Place the egg on top of the burger. And to finish it off, garnish with green onions or scallions. And now you are ready to eat. And there you guys have it. So simple yet so delicious. Loco Moco. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.